We're tiny, we're toony, we're all a little loony. And in this cartoony, we're invading your TV. With comic dispatchers, we crack up all the censors. On Tiny Toon Adventures, get a dose of comedy. So here's at the acres, it's a whole wide world apart. Our home sweet home stands alone, a cartoon work of art.
The scripts were rejected, expect the unexpected.
On Tiny Toon Adventures, it's about to start.
They're furry, they're funny.
They're Baz and Buster Bunny. Montana Max has money. Elmira is a pain. He's hunting
And plucky,
Dizzy Devil Yucky. Furballs are yucky. And Go-Go is insane. And at the university we earn our Toon degree. The teaching staff's been getting laughs since 1933. We're tiny, we're toony, we're all a little loony. It's Tiny Toon Adventures, come and join the fun. And now our song is done.
Here at one of those fast food restaurants they are ordering the Banane in Pyjama with Banane Dogs with soft drinks. It was very exciting. And I like fudge pops too. Time to go in.
Hello? Why are you in my apartment room? I was busy playing Sega Genesis in my room.
This sounds like a good plan. Maybe we should be in a fancy restaurant instead.
Okay, Jakelsm, I hope there's some the box of chocolates, some Banane Dogs, and some Banane in Pyjama and some scene powder. I totally liked it when World of Jake 2012 drew us on his laptop.
Wait, did that say Windows XP has changed into Windows 7? Or did he process the files from his hard drive? That's such a teenage pain. Now where in the heck did all of my friends go? That is it, I'm gonna put a knife on you.
Ouch.
Have you been downloading from this program? I want you to walk away from my business and no longer being a solid speech name adult male voice number 1. Catfish?
And that was something completely different.
Shut up, Monty Python, and give me some cans of Coca-Cola, Pepsi, 7-Up, and Sprite, sir. I hate Fabricio so much. Why are they gonna love him? The Banane in Pyjama with Banane Dogs are here.
Banane in pigiama, le scale scenderà. Banane in pigiama, son pronte già a giocare. Banane in pigiama, dietro gli orsetti van. Di qua e di là e di qua, ma poi li prenderanno.
I hope you enjoyed your postage. Our appetizer is back so you can feed here this time, Jakelsm. I bet this is the coolest Italian restaurant.
What the? This isn't the Banane in Pyjama with Banane Dogs, is it?
I made you some pizza. There was no longer selling Banane in Pyjama with Banane Dogs because Yoshi purchased it.
Oh, I'm Billy. That stupid dinosaur! How could he try to ruin my adventures? If he comes over again, I'm gonna break his Game Boy Color, stab him with a ruler, replace his favorite PS1 game to Boxy 3D, rob his house, make him beat the R-rated Harry Potter series, and chop his head off.